Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to learn long answers of chapter 3 Rotation and Revolution. Children, all of you open your worksheets. Open rotation and revolution. In previous classes, we have learned meanings, fill in the blanks, write true or false, and short answers. In today's class, we are going to learn long answers. See the first one. How are day and night caused? How are day, D-A-Y, day and night, N-I-G-H-T, night caused, C-A-U-S-E-D, caused. How day and night caused, children? See here. Earth's rotation causes day and night. Due to rotational movement of Earth, it causes day and night. Earth rotation, R-O-T-A-T-I-O-N, rotation causes day and night. As the earth rotates, the part facing the sun, F-A-C-I-N-G, facing the sun, experience, E-X-P-E-R-I-E-N-C-E, experience day, while the part away from the sun experience night. The earth rotates from west to east. So, here the earth rotates from west to east towards the sun. The earth is divided into two parts, children. The half part, which is facing towards the sun, experiences day, while the other part experiences night, while rotating from west to east. This is the answer to the question. Now see the second one. How are seasons caused? How are seasons? S-E-A-S-O-N-S, seasons caused. Seasons are caused due to the revolution, R-E-V-O-L-U-T-I-O-N, revolution, and tilt, T-I-L-T, tilt of Earth's axis, A-X-I-S, axis. Northern hemisphere leans towards the sun, N-O-R-T-H-E-R-N, northern hemisphere. H-E-M-I-S-P-H-E-R-E, northern hemisphere leans towards the sun. Southern hemisphere leans away from sun, S-O-U-T-H-E-R-N, southern hemisphere. H-E-M-I-S-P-H-E-R-E, hemisphere leans, L-E-A-N-S, leans away from sun. Northern hemisphere towards, T-O-W-A-R-D-S, towards the sun, receives more sun rays, experiences summer season. So, the northern hemisphere, which is towards the sun, it receives more sun rays and it experiences summer season. Whereas southern hemisphere receives less sun rays and it experiences winter season. This is about the answer. Once again, I will repeat, children. How are seasons caused? Seasons are caused due to the revolutionary movement and tilt of the Earth's axis. Northern hemisphere leans towards the sun. Southern hemisphere leans away from the sun. Northern hemisphere towards the sun receives more sun rays, experience summer season. Southern hemisphere receives less sun rays, experience winter season. Now come to third question. Explain, E-X-P-L-A-I-N, explain why 2020 is a leap year, L-E-A-P, leap, Y-E-A-R, year. Explain why 2020 is a leap year. The earth revolves around the sun. It takes 1 year or 365 1/4 days to complete. C-O-M-P-L-E-T-E, complete one revolution. A normal calendar, C-A-L-E-N-D-A-R, calendar, constitutes, C-O-N-S-T-I-T-U-T-E-S, constitutes only 365 days. Where does the 1/4th day or 6 hours we have to adjust? So, This 6 hours is accumulate, ACCUMULATE, accumulate for 4 years till it totals 24 hours. This extra day is added to the month of February. So, the earth revolves around the sun. It takes 1 year, 365 1 by 4th days, means 365 days and 6 hours. To complete 24 hours, this 6 hours per year takes 4 years time. So, for every 4 years, we are counting this 24 extra 24 hours and we are adding this 24 hours to the month of February. This is the answer. Now see the fourth question. Why do equinoxes, EQUINOXES, why do equinoxes take place during the spring and autumn season? Why do equinoxes takes place during the spring, 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 and autumn, AUTUMN, autumn season, SEASON, season? In the course, COURSE, in the course of entire revolution, the sun shines, SHINES, shines twice, means 2 times, directly over the equator. This is called equinox. During DURING, during equinox, the length LENGTH, length of day and night are equal. The equinox occur on 21 March and the equinox occurs on 21st March and 23 September. It is spring and autumn. Okay, see here they have given project work. Draw a neat diagram of the revolution of the earth. We have there in the textbook. So, draw a neat diagram of the revolution of the earth in your homework books, children, and also write these long answers, these 4 long answers each 2 times in your homework books. Bye children, thank you.